In the bustling city of Dalian, a revolution in robotics is unfolding within the walls of X-Robot's factory. Here, a team of engineers is pioneering the future of humanoid robots, not just in their ability to move, but in their capacity to convey emotions through facial expressions that mirror our own. Imagine walking into a room where neck-length silicone masks, arms, and feet are casually laid out on tables, while heads with no bodies watch silently from their perches. Amidst the scene of disassembled humanity, complete robots stand tall, showcasing the culmination of X-Robot's vision. The chief executive of X-Robots, Boyang, takes pride in their unique approach. While many in the field utilize open-source models and algorithms, X-Robots dedicates its efforts to the nuances of emotional intelligence and AI. Their robots are designed to recognize and replicate human expressions, a feat that breathes life into silicone and metal. Picture a worker at the factory, her movements fluid and human, smiling, frowning, even sticking out her tongue. Parallel to her, a humanoid robot mirrors each gesture with uncanny accuracy, its face animated by an intricate network of tiny motors. Lee speaks of their foundation model, a multimodal marvel capable of not just recognizing but also responding to the environment with appropriate facial feedback. This level of emotional expression is unprecedented in robotics and sets X-Robots apart in the industry. Creating such a robot is no small feat, taking anywhere from 2 weeks to a month, with a price tag reflecting its complexity, ranging from 1.5 million to 2 million yuan. Currently, these humanoids serve as museum exhibits, including one housed within the factory itself. But Lee envisions a future where these robots extend their reach into healthcare and education. He talks of robots providing psychological counseling, assisting in healthcare, and even preliminary screening for emotional and psychological disorders. The potential for emotional interaction is vast, particularly in services aimed at children, where the ability to connect on an emotional level could transform the experience. As we delve into the world of X-Robots, we're not just exploring the frontiers of technology but also the boundaries of human-robot interaction. With their lifelike expressions, these robots are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the X-Robots team, a beacon of what's to come in the harmonious blend of artificial intelligence and human emotion. The future is here, and it has a human face.